Welcome to Season 7 of Caravan Camping WA. A jam-packed series full of adventure, exploring the state's most stunning destinations with loads of activities and showcasing the latest caravan and camping equipment along the way. This season, I'll be showing you the best experiences WA has to offer. Josh will be cooking up tasty treats using local produce and delicacies.
One of my favourite wineries in the Margaret River region.
And for the first time, we're excited to be joined by esteemed four-wheel drive and motoring journalist Ray Cully and our Jessie.
Got my weddy on.
Jessie Lawrence. Plus a very special guest, Aussie actor and Esperance local Dan Paris, who'll show me his favourite spots around town.
Cheers.
Cheers. Catch all the adventure Saturdays 5:30 on Channel 7.